we were thinking about a way to demonstrate the performance of the Mercedes-AMG 1.
Today, we decided to show you a function called race start. So we will take Nico Bastian, AMG performance driver, on the AMG 1 on a race against Bernd Schneider, 5-time DTM champion, on the AMG GT Black Series. And keep in mind, Bernd hates to lose.
Absolutely, because I'm not used to lose.
Bernd, today is a day where you're gonna lose. Sorry for that.
We will wait.
Pedal to the metal. No doubt, the AMG GT Black Series is an outstanding car, but the AMG 1 takes us to the next level.
I never had the feeling that it stops accelerating.
I really tried my best, but I was not fast enough.
The one and only.